Okay, remember, when I have an equation, it looks like this. Okay, and the A is the initial value, and the B is the growth or decay rate. Okay, so my initial value, so if I look at this, what is the initial value? It's right here. That's my A, right? That's my A. So how much money did my account start with? $450. Okay, that one's easy. Now, this one's a little trickier. This is my growth or decay rate. So first I'm going to ask myself, is it increasing or is it decreasing? Is this a growth rate? If it's a growth rate, it's going to be more than 1. And if it's decaying, it's going to be less than 1. So is this more than 1 or less than 1? This is more than 1, right? This is 1 plus some additional. So this is increasing. And by what percent? Okay, this is tricky. Now look, here's my number. Watch what I'm going to do. Remember before I was dividing by 100 to get this? If I were to multiply by 100, right, which is the same as moving this like this, okay, that equals 102.5%. So I just changed this back into a percent from a decimal. So what I notice is that this is the same as 100% plus what? This is 102.5 plus 2.5%. So this right here, that's my growth rate, right? That was how this 100% changed. So it's increasing, and it's increasing by 2.5%. Okay, so I put money in the bank, and they are taking my money, and they're giving me 2.5% interest each year. Okay, so that is how I decide, right? So initial value here. Then you look at this number. Now, if it was less than 1, let's say it was like 0.84, something like that. Okay, then I would say, how did I get that? Well, that's 84%. So how do I get 84%? Well, if I'm at 100, I'd have to subtract 16 to get to 84. So like that, for example, that would be decreasing by 16%. Okay, so you have to look. If it's more than 1, it's growth. If it's less than 1, it's decay. And then figure out by what percentage is it growing or decaying.